This site can't be reached problem Google Chrome. So if you are facing this issue, first and foremost, all you have to do is head back from your Google Chrome and tap on the Windows icon. Now from here, go ahead and search for Control Panel. So we'll be checking for our network speed. Now right here, tap on Category and select Large Icons. Select the option of Internet Options right here. Now from here at the top, you will see Connections. Tap on it. Then tap on LAN Settings. Make sure that under Proxy Server it is unticked. If it looks something like this, go ahead and uncheck this box and then tap on OK and again tap on OK. Now once you are done from here, you can close this tab. Then again tap on the Windows icon and head to the Settings option. From here, tap on the option of Network and Internet. Then select the option of Advanced Network Settings at the bottom of this list. Right here, you have to go ahead and select Network Reset. Then tap on Reset Now. Then tap on Yes. Now once you do that, it will reset your network. However, it will not delete any of your network data. Then you can head back from here again and head to Hardware Properties. From here, in More Adapter Options, tap on Edit. From this list, search for Internet Protocol version 6 and untick this option and tap on OK. Again, tap on the Edit option. Now, from here, select Internet Protocol version 4 and go to their properties. Make sure that it is automatic. If it's not, tap on Use the following DNS and write 8.8.8.8, and in the alternate DNS, you have to write 8.8.4.4. Then go ahead and tap on OK. Now once it is done, you can head back from here and close this tab. Next, tap on the Windows section again and search for Command Prompt, or you can search for run or directly go to Command Prompt. Here we'll be adding some of the prompt to solve our issue. Now for that, go ahead and maximize the screen. I will display the prompt right here. Simply go ahead and copy it first and foremost and then hit enter once you are done. Now once it is successful, go ahead and enter the second prompt. Then again, hit the enter button. Then it should look something like this. For the third one, go ahead and paste the same prompt that I've shown right here. Then tap on enter. Now once it is done and it is successful, just go ahead and write exit. Now all you have to do is restart your PC and you have to try again. And I bet your issue will be solved. So go ahead and give this a try, and thank you so much for watching.